vagara vakandimaka ende handinadaka ende handina maka vane godonjo vakadhakwa Junius brother vakadhakwa vagara vakandimaka ende handinadaka
Sorry, Kaku was.
zvese
Wow.
munongosvika
Wait,
munotibvundudza
like,
aiwa mani
guy, I must say this. Like, you
Wakati?
look cute in person. Like, you look cuter than my photos, you know?
Teuma
Wait, but exactly. Yes, listen, maybe you're pretending as if you don't know me and stuff.
Teuma usingatoti uri kusaudza here Teuma
No, mbuyele nje. Namhlanje endingibuye forward. Imagine.
kubva kusaudi kuvinga inini
Yes.
but wani nei
And I'm
Teuma
liking what I see.
Teuma utakawirana kuti i-online dating chete wakandiudzaiwo kuti don't worry I'm not going to come to Zimbabwe at least just online dating we are flirting only kuno kuZimbabwe urudei and akuratidza pamba pangu ndiani
Wait, and I thought wawudlala when ukuthi no, we cannot just when nchatweni ufuna kuphele kuqale ku-online dating kuphelele ku-online dating. No, it can't work like that.
usaka watobva kutenga tiketi rebhazi kubva kuSouth Africa kuvenga inini shamari iyi takawirana kuti is just online dating tiri kudanana paFacebook zvokuti wakundivinga kuZimbabwe akuratidza pamba pangu ndiani
mina ngazi you remember that friend of yours wangintroduce aku like the day senze video call
saka kuti effort yekutsvaga pamba pangu alright uri kudei
I want you. What do you mean kudei?
Shamari iyo
what do you mean? I came here for you specially for you.
Washaiwa mwarume here kuSouth Africa
ngiti kata ungithandi
aiwa hangiti kuita seiko shamari iwe taurira pasi ndinowana ndogara nawo pamba panapa handigari ndega sha
uhlalo ba it's okay you're going to
introduce you shamari sorry hakuna ndinogara nemukadzi zvokuti
unotaura you never told me that like what do you mean like nemukadzi you are married
shamari
asitaurela phansi asitaurela phansi yini yahlula ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi wena ulomfazi so nje uthwala izigqoko zomfazi wow
iwe andinotaura panzi
hayi kutaura panzi asambe introduce emfazini wakho
ndichikuintroduce kumunoshura here shamari
already here and sengibuye lapha
wandiona
ngiyayithanda lento engiyibonayo
unondida wandiona chidzokera kumba alright chidzokera kumba kwenyu
ndichayi kumba elekuzeni kutokupila ebulawayo mina kithi kuse-South Africa dude angilanda ukuhlala mina ngilande wena ngizohlala lapha
kugara kubukindine mukadzi mari
no you are going to introduce me like uzahamba ngini endlini yakho le ungitshele nje umfazi wakho ukuthi kulomunye umfazi because mina angiyenzi
shamari buda panzi
hello ngithe mina sambe it's fine alright so ufuna hambe
shamari bafana
alright it's fine you know what athi senze ama video calls ne sibhizi siblasha sisenzani lapha sifleta ngilama-pictures akho unqunya ngisithi not pics mina ngiyawaposta kathesi so ufuna ngihambe noma cha siyangena lapha uyangi-introduce emfazini wakho kumbeni ngiposta amavidiyo la mina akutrendisa kathesi so kathesi nje so ngilama-pictures akho wonke wangizendela wona ngiyatrendisa mina kathesi siyendlini noma cha
ndine mukadzi shamari
siyahamba lapha uyamtshela ukuthi angikwazi chasitini
angendaondomuudza kuti ndine mukadzi shamari
isindaba yakho simosho yakho leyo anti cause mina angenda
mai ndomaudza kuti
mali amfuni imali mina
uri kuenda kupi kona yakomana titaurirane mina titaurirane